Hello everyone, myself Nitish. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 832, flipping an image. Given an n into n binary matrix image, flip the image horizontally, invert it, and return the resulting image. To flip an image horizontally means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 110 horizontal result in 011. To invert an image means that 0 is replaced by 1 and each one is replaced by 0. For example, inverting 011 result in 100. So basically, in this problem, we are given a binary matrix containing only zeros and ones. We need to perform only two operations. First, flip the horizontal, and the second is invert the image. For example, we have an array name image and the elements are this. Now first flip, let's suppose this example, if we flip these elements of the image array, then become 0 change into 1 change into 0 and 1 and 1. This is the element, and after the flipping, then invert this element, then means 0 convert into 1 and 1 convert into 0. So the result is 1 and 1 convert into 0, 0. Okay. Let's go to the second element. The second element of when we flip the elements 0 to the second element means 0 flip with this and also this flip with this. So the element is uh, also same because no all elements are same. Similarly, when invert the 0 into 1 and 1 into 0, then result is 1, comma, 0, comma, 1 and 0, 0, 1, comma, 1, comma, 1. So after this operation, our resultant array is this. This is the final answer. Now let's go to the code. We use first of all we use for loop to transverse this array. So let integer j and int k image of I dot size minus 1. We use while loop that to flip the elements of the array. K is greater than j. Let int temp And to store the image of element of image of I of j, and we replace from image of I of j with image of I with k, and the the value of of image of I of k is replaced with 10, and this j increment of j and decrement of k. Is we use while loop that flip the elements of the array. Now the our second step to invert this invert the element of 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. So use for loop equal to 0 and is less than image of I dot size and plus plus. We use if condition if image of I of n equal to 0, then image of I of n convert into 1. Similarly, else condition if image of I of n equal to 1, then convert into 0. After this, we return image array. Now run the test case. Our test case is successfully run. Basically, I use for loop for transverse the array 1, 2, 3 image dot size. Inside this loop, I use while loop for flipping the value of the element to 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, after this, I use second for loop for invert the value, convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, then return the image. Now submit the code. Basically, the time complexity of this code is big of and space complexity is also big of 1. Thank you.